Ka-chow!
You can use the scissor jack or bottle jack from your spare tire kit in order to lift the vehicle. When jacking up the vehicle, you always want to make sure you have the emergency brake on, and if possible, that you're on a flat surface. There is a point at each of the 4 corners of the vehicle, behind the front wheels and in front of the rear wheels, that is designed to lift the vehicle. This is called a pinch weld. You can set up a scissor jack on only half of the pinch weld in order to have room to set a jack stand.
Okay, so we're going to put the hooky thingy through the end. Okay, and then we make that into a 90-degree angle. So make the handle into a 90-degree angle and then turn it into a handle. There you go. So this stays straight. Oops. And then that turns. So watch your knuckles, you don't get your knuckles on the ground. Lifting your car is so easy.
Find your pinch weld, which will be your jacking point. If using a hydraulic floor jack, you can also jack the vehicle up from the lower A-arm in order to be able to place a jack stand underneath the pinch weld, either behind the front tire or in front of the rear tire.